In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert page numbers in a Microsoft Word document. So I have a Microsoft Word document. It has about 7 pages. So to insert page numbers in this document, I just have to go to Insert, click on that, click on the Footer tab, click on the drop down here, and there are different styles that I can choose from. So I'm going to choose this one with the number in the middle. So this is how it looks: 1, 2, and 3, and so on. For example, if this is a cover letter, I don't want page 1 to show up on the cover letter. I want it to start from the second page. So all I have to do is, under the header footer, click on different first page. So when I check this box, and this is how it shows. So the number here on the first page is removed, and the second page, it starts with 2, 3. Now if I want to get out of this, all I have to do is double click in the space, or I can click this close header and footer. Now another way that I can insert page numbers into Word is by clicking on the Insert tab here, and on the right side I have this tab here, Page Number. So when I click on the drop down here, so I'm going to choose the bottom of page, and there are many styles here. I'm going to choose this one, plain number 2. The page number 1 is inserted, page number 2. Now if I want to start the first page as 0 and the second page as 1, to start from 0, I have to click on the page numbering, scroll down, click on Format Page Numbers. So this is the number format. I have the drop down here. When I click on that, there are many more options. Now under page numbering, it says continue from previous section or start at. So I'll select start at, and I'm going to type 0, click OK, and the first page starts with 0, the second page with 1. To remove this 0, all I have to do under header and footer, so I'm going to click on different first page. I'm going to check that box. So on the main page, the 0 is removed. The page count starts from the second page. It starts with 1 from the second page. So to exit off this footer, all I have to do is close header and footer here, click on that, or I can just double click on the space. So if I want to remove the page numbering on the Word document, under header and footer, or on the Insert tab here, click on page number and scroll down and click on Remove Page Numbers. The page numbers has been removed. So I thank you for watching. I ask you to subscribe.